Hello, mabuhay! My name is Joyce Forbes de Guzman from BSHM 1B. Did you know that ethical persuasion is one of the reasons I'm excited to discuss an idea that could make a big difference for you? So, what is ethical persuasion? Ethical persuasion is the process of influencing others in a way that is honest, respectful, and fair, while maintaining the dignity and autonomy of the person being persuaded. It involves presenting facts, arguments, and appeals without deception, coercion, or manipulation. Hi, hello, and today I want to talk about the importance of sustainable living. This isn't about drastic changes, but small, everyday choices that can make a big difference. Did you know that simple actions like reducing single use plastic or conserving water can help protect our planet? According to environmental studies, reducing waste can lower carbon footprints and preserve resources for future generations. The key is to start with what's manageable, whether it's carrying a reusable water bottle or turning off lights when not in use. These choices matter. This isn't about perfection but progress. I invite you to consider one eco friendly change you can make today. It could be as simple as recycling or supporting local, sustainable business. Together, our small actions can create a ripple effect for a healthier planet. Thank you for being part of my solution. So here's a quick reminder about persuasion. Persuasion is the art of influencing someone's beliefs, attitudes, or actions. Effective persuasion relies on several key principles. We have ethos, which is credibility, pathos, which is emotions, and logos, which is logic. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.